Our weather alert coverage takes us to Vanderbilt Children's Hospital, where doctors have seen dozens of carbon monoxide cases since the winter storm hit.
Yeah, pretty scary. Jaxie Pigeon is live in Cree Hall this morning with an update and also to explain the dangers here. Jaxie.
Yeah, doctors at Vanderbilt Children's say they've treated more than 24 patients with carbon monoxide poisoning. And that's as these temperatures continue to plummet and these widespread outages continue. Now, they say these injuries are not because of outdoor activities, but rather unsafe heating indoor methods. They say carbon monoxide can build up quickly from generators, grills, or poorly ventilated heaters. And because the gas is invisible and odorless, many families don't realize there's a problem until after symptoms appear. Children are especially at risk and are often the first to be affected, showing signs like headaches, dizziness, nausea, or extreme fatigue. Physicians expect more cases as the freezing temperatures continue. Health officials stress that carbon monoxide detectors, not smoke alarms, are the only way to alert families to dangerous levels. Anyone who suspects they may have been exposed should get outside to fresh air immediately and seek medical help. Families without heat are urged to use those area warming shelters instead of alternative unsafe heating methods. Live in Creve Hall, Jaxie Pigeon, News 2.
All right, Jaxie, thanks so much.